Consciousness means to be aware, to feel. Consciousness of body means to be conscious about every action done by this physical body while you are running, your feet, your legs, your thighs, your hands, your wrist, your back, your chest, your upper part of your head, and your breath. All are in action. You must be conscious about all these. This is body consciousness. While you are eating, you must be conscious, you must be aware of the food you are eating, your tongue, your teeth, your mouth, your hands, your wrist, your stomach. While you are playing, you find your total body is involved in playing. Your hands, your legs, your chest, your back, all that parts which are busy, which are involved in playing, you must be aware, you must be conscious of that. While using your senses, your eyes, your ears, your nose, your tongue, your skin, we have five senses and we must be aware of that, conscious of that, what they are doing, what they are seeing, what they are watching, what they are listening, what they are doing, what they are smelling, what they are touching, and to be conscious, to be aware of all our senses. Our every part of our physical body is body conscious. Is to be body conscious is body consciousness. And the second one is mind consciousness. What we are thinking, what our brain is doing, what our mind is doing, what we are thinking, what thoughts are coming, what thoughts are running out of. We must be conscious and aware of those thoughts. As soon as the moment you become aware or conscious about your mind, your thoughts, they stop and it energize you. And third one that is very important is your heart. Heart is the place where your soul lives with your mind. And every action that is performed is first of all, its birthplace is heart. First of all, you feel you feel emotional, you become emotional about that. All the emotions of pleasure, pain, you passion, compassion, evil, biasness, and all the emotions that you feel, heart is the birthplace of all these emotions. Emotions come into existence in the beginning, then they become thought, and then they take the form of action. First of all, they are in the form of emotion, then thoughts, and then action. Heart is the place where your soul with karmic bond live here. What we are to do to release our soul from these karmic bonds that are caused due to these emotions of love, passion, compassion, evil, biasness, good or bad, pleasure or pain. What it feels, what the soul feels. Here it is in the form of Jivatma and we are going to purify it and we are going to release it from these karmic bonds. So heart is the main point, main center that is to be purified, that is to be cleared, that is to be aware, that is to be conscious. Consciousness of heart is the consciousness of everything, purification of everything. If your heart is pure, if your heart is clean, that you need not to do anything more. And the fourth one is your soul, that is your real self, that your soul that does not belong to this world. This is a part of an infinite small parts, infinite small portion of energy from God. Ours, this body, this is made up of five elements: air, water, earth, fire, and the sky. But the soul that lives in this body, when it leaves, all these elements get released and they become the part of this world. They live here, but the soul does not belong to this world that has come, and that is the part of energy from God. So We must be consciousness of soul. Now, consciousness of body, every action performed by body. Consciousness of mind, to be aware of every thought. Consciousness of heart, to be aware of every emotion. And consciousness of soul, consciousness about your real self.